Theopoem was inspired by a divine experience we had while smoking our pipe. Choices that perpetuate self-neglect. Choices that prevent rest. A restless experience in New York City. Rest taunts me like the little bird in my window. Day after day, we shoo away this little bird. This little bird's presence disturbs me. It sings in our ear as we systematically slave for capitalistic values, singing melodies of colonization, reminding us of a time when this land was great, a time when we were in iron shackles dancing on a box for entertainment. It flies in circles around my window. It stares at me in my window as if it's inviting me to come play, as if it actually loves me and cares. This little bird is restless with no off switch, no boundaries or empathy, eagerly patient, waiting for me to acknowledge it, giving in to its ways and submit to its truth. Instead, we are angry. With excitement and passion, we kill the little bird in our window. We focus on a world that the little bird cannot exist in. We imagine and then believe that little bird no longer exists. We no longer hear the songs or see it in our window. The little bird is dead to us. We now weep with deep emptiness and restlessness. Only we know what once was and is no more. No matter how much we focus, deep down we know better. We are the little bird.